So, welcome to day 3. We are now leaving the room. It is 8 o'clock in the morning. Blizzard Beach opens at 10. So we are going to get the Skyliner over to, I don't know if you're steaming up, we're going to get the Skyliner over to Caribbean Beach and get the bus from there. Let's put it that way. And then you won't have a washed out sunlight behind me. Yeah, so we're just going to go to the left, get the Skyliner for my first time, and go and see Caribbean Beach, fill up our drinks there.
Did you bring painkillers?
No, we didn't bring painkillers.
So you go back and get some?
I've got to go and get painkillers.
They're in the bath.
Turn out the light. Ooh, dark. Ooh, blurry. Painkillers. Okay, so I'll just finish with, or we'll just catch you up at the Skyliner, because we definitely need those painkillers. As you can see, Hobbalong is hurting with her knees and hip, so, and Nana gets in pain as well. So yeah, we'll see you at the Skyliner.
Good morning!
And Tristan wearing his hat. He's got Mickey hat on. Is it because Grumps is wearing his hat?
Yeah. Alligators.
Alligators, no. One of the bus drivers said to me that if they see alligators or anything, they move them on. So, I mean, they might.
Are these big lakes lately?
I don't know. I think Disney alligators probably aren't really. They probably need to get moved on. But yeah, she said that they normally, if they see one, they'll grab it and move it, rehome it, so safer for people. But they'll just go where they want to go, won't they? When they do. See you in a minute. We'll be at the Skyliner. Yellow ones all in one place, and Dad's just said that's the school run. Funny dad joke. Fire right here. You can smell the ambers, which is funny. They put sand on it. Look where they put it out.
Can't see it.
You can't see it. It looks like a bit there as well. Yeah, someone's cigarette probably. That bit looks like it's been burnt as well. Like maybe that's just a thing they do around their signs to burn down the undergrowth. It's possibly a thing. They probably do it when people are asleep and they don't see it. But we're nearly at the Skyliner. Hi. They have a double buggy though. I wonder which one we'll get, Tristan. What do you think? I don't think we'll get Pluto. We're gonna probably have this one, clear, unwrapped one, but easy to see out. You can sit down, Tristan. Oh, we got the blue one because the first yellow one the doors didn't open, so. Very this one.
Oh my God, hey!
Ready, Tristan?
You ready? Ready for it?
Ready?
Ready. So it's gonna go in a minute.
Go!
Oh, it feels like you're floating. Wow, look at this.
Yeah!
Are we on the Skyliner?
Yeah!
Welcome aboard the Disney Skyliner at Disney's Pop Century Resort and Disney's Art of Animation Resort.
Yeah!
We are on our way to Disney's
Yeah.
Caribbean Beach Resort
You got a sunlight
with
on your
connecting
face.
flights to Disney's Hollywood Studios and Epcot International
Yeah.
Gateway. We are now gliding over Hourglass Lake. Please sit back, relax, and enjoy the most magical flight on Earth.
Oh, look, the Toy Story one, Tristan.
Yeah, we saw that, didn't we?
Yeah! Yeah!
And we saw Pluto.
Yeah, we saw Pluto just now. And there's the Little Mermaid rooms over there.
Yeah, they've got a long walk to get to the Skyliner.
Yeah, they would be the ones that if we went to that hotel, that's where we would be. Oh, we're going up a bit more. Up.
Over the car park.
Oh, floating over the cars. First view of the big Epcot ball.
Yeah.
In just a few moments, we will be arriving at Disney's Caribbean Beach Resort. All passengers must disembark or transfer at this station. We hope you enjoyed your journey, and thank you for flying the Disney Skyliner.
Oh, it's a short one, this one, isn't it?
we are getting up here.
Yeah, we're going to get off here.
Yeah, I thought it was only one stop. So what's the next?
Until the doors automatically open. When exiting the cabin,
What do we say?
supervise children. And watch your step.
Break.
Put the brakes on. Okay, let's get out. We're here. Yeah, that's the Hollywood Studios one over there, and then we're going to the Epcot one. Which way do we go? This side or that side?
Over there.
Do we have to go? Okay, we can go across the middle. Go guess if this is busy, that'll be all queued up there. Back to pop that way. You get lots of yellow ones here as well. Hollywood Studios. This is Epcot.
For your safety, please remain seated. Supervise children.
Tristan, are you excited to go on the Toy Story one? Wow. In the Toy Story one.
The last model I bought is like this.
This one's going up high.
Yeah, this one does.
Sit
Yeah.
back. Whoa, going high. You holding my hand? Yeah, let go of my hand. Oh, really high. Yeah, you can't see as well out of one of
No.
these as you can.
The clear one.
Welcome
Yeah.
aboard, Islanders. You are on the Disney Skyliner at Disney's Caribbean Beach Resort. We're flying to Disney's Riviera Resort with continuing flights to Epcot.
Oh, so you can get off at Riviera then?
Yeah.
And then go on to Epcot.
Hold on to your straw
No, you
hat.
don't get off. You
We are
stay on
about
it.
to
To go
enter
to
the
Epcot.
heart of the
what-
Caribbean.
The Riviera, does it stop to open the doors?
Yeah, but you stay on.
Yes, the point I was getting
So
across.
what happens is,
Yeah, what I meant was you could get off here if you wanted
Yes.
to.
Yes.
Yeah, that's
We
what I
are
was trying
now
to get
sailing
at.
over
Sorry.
Disney's Caribbean
And there's
Beach
Swan
Resort,
and Dolphin
home
over
to a
there.
collection of tropical
And then you can
villages
see,
inspired
Tower
by the
of
colorful
Terror
architecture and lifestyle
over that
of the
way.
Caribbean islands.
I suppose this stuff on the window is
But really, really high,
sunscreening,
actually.
isn't it?
I don't know why it's all. It's just because it's wrapped with the pattern.
Yeah, but it might be sunscreen as
I
well.
don't know.
that's dazzling.
Yeah, no, I'm
In just
talking
a
about
minute,
keeping the sun
we
off
will be
you.
arriving at Disney's Riviera Resort, a Disney
Wow.
vacation club that celebrates the relaxing seaports and romantic vistas
Here we are in the
of
Toy
Europe's
Story one.
Mediterranean coast.
It's gone slower now. It's stopping. Oh, it's
It
stopping.
does sometimes.
Stopping. Oh, it's wobbly. Wobbly. It's like it's floaty. It's all stopped over there as well. Yeah.
Going again now.
And the door's a lot clearer than the other side.
Yeah, I mean he'd love it if you just went backwards and forwards on this all day.
Yeah.
You like the Skyliner, don't you, Tristan?
Yeah.
You like it? You want to go backwards and forwards on the Skyliner all day?
Yeah.
That's what we come to Disney for, isn't it? Yeah.
The doors automatically open. When exiting the cabin, please
Ready,
supervise
Tristan?
children, collect your
Say
belongings.
break.
Thank you so much. Ven, Vanessa. Ahorita se abre.
We go! Whee! Back up again.
Why'd you put everything?
Welcome aboard the Disney Skyliner at Disney's Riviera Resort. If you're just joining us, we are on our way to Epcot. Ladies and gentlemen, we invite you to sit back, relax, and enjoy the most magical flight on Earth.
Goes away, I can just about make out Star Wars over there. And that's the car park probably for Hollywood Studios, which at the moment looks quite empty. So yeah, this little bit here just takes you the opposite direction.
Yeah.
Over there. It goes quite low over there as well.
I suppose with those ones that are wrapped, you can't see into theirs and they can't see into yours.
No. It does block that out.
It's just the clear ones that you can see into. Great.
No. My dad just said that he thought Tower of Terror was an actual hotel. No, it's a ride. It's a ride in Hollywood Studios.
Okay.
He's like, why is it a terrible hotel?
Not going there.
Keep looking for alligators. I suppose there's a fish or something in there. Yeah, turned around in the station. Turning station.
We did that the other day, didn't we, Tristan?
Yeah.
And you think here, well, where's the Epcot hall gone? It's disappeared.
Oh yeah, you just don't see it, do you? Oh, there it is. Just popped up there in the trees.
Mommy,
Yeah, did we go up?
bus,
Yeah.
bus.
We went fast, didn't we?
Fast.
Yeah.
Look at the swans on the hotel.
There's the Eiffel Tower, right there. Because that's the Ratatouille ride.
Thought it'd be bigger than that.
Yeah, the Eiffel Tower's right. Yes, Epcot here.
Yeah.
We're nearly there.
We are now arriving at Epcot. To all who come to this place of joy, hope, and friendship, welcome.
Listen,
I listen to music, I can hear music.
Oh, this is the one with the riverboats, Tristan.
Yeah, riverboats.
Please
Can't see
remain
any at the
seated
moment.
until the doors automatically open. When exiting the
Here we
cabin,
go, Tristan.
provide
Ready? Here we
children,
go,
collect your belongings, and watch your steps. Thank you for flying with us.
Whoa. Break.
Al salir de la cabina.
Very sunny behind me, but that's the international gateway into Epcot, and we're turning this way here. There's a riverboat coming and going towards the hotel over there, the boardwalk.
I think the dogs get sore feet walking on this.
He does look like he's got, I don't know, maybe he's trying to chase a squirrel. Yeah, there's one of the boats coming as well. There's two doggies, that's why he's getting a bit funny. He wants to see the other doggy. The actual name of the hotel we're going to, Yacht and Beach Club. I'm obviously a very big novice because I have no idea what anything's called, and
I think we'll probably go back on the bus.
yeah, so yeah, I don't know what anything's called. I forget all the names, but then I get confused with Disneyland Paris and here as well. So, but yeah, this is coming up to the Yacht and Beach Club, and you can smell bacon cooking somewhere. Mum likes the colour of the Beach Club buildings, the wood and the design and everything. But obviously, you need a bit colonial. Mum would say you need a bit more money to stay in one of these ones. Boardwalk Hotel, and then the Beach Club over here, and the pirate ship. Yeah, pirate ship. I don't know if you go in it or not, or it's just a display only. It might be part of their pool, I don't know. I think it's the pool actually, Mum. It's a water slide coming off the top. It's you can just about see the chute of the water slide at the top of the tower and the mast. Yeah, there's the beach, actual sand, but you can't go in the water because of crocodiles, alligators. I keep saying the wrong word. Yes, alligators. They've got the little beach swings there as well. Don't let Tristan see the beach swings. Little volleyball net over there. Yeah, no, that's cool, that pirate ship. This one, man, that water slide. Doesn't even look steep enough to go down it as a water slide, but I guess it's okay.
Yeah, it's got like a...
There's a windmill on the other side of there. It's one of their pools. Yeah, pirate ship.
There's a sign here.
Running trail.
Oh.
Yeah, it's one of the pools. So as the lady, we spoke to someone just now and said if you carry on going here past the pool, you'll hit a bus stop. So we're going to go this way and see that. Dance hall. Little windmill over there, and there's the pool. Morning. Thank you, you too. There's a little map over there or something. The legend of. Oh, it's just a play. It's just a play map. If you pause it, you can read it, which is probably what I'll do later, rather than standing here reading it now. There's little water taxis over there that you can borrow. You can hire them.
To this one, go along there and get that to Epcot, that boat. You don't pay for it. Oh, Hayley, look.
Oh, some little girl's lost her tiara. Right, so we're going to go in here and go through the building and get to the bus stops. Coming inside, as you can feel the air conditioning. Wow, look at that big ball. Wow, Tristan needs to come and see this. Shit. Oh, sorry.
It scared me. I was like, eating on my hand.
Sorry.
No. It just scared the crap out of me. Somebody can break the thing.
Oh, look at the uniforms they wear in here as well. And peonies. Are these real? They're real? Yeah, they're real. Real flowers.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, just around the corner.
Wow, look at this. There's another pirate ship over there. Just going outside. Disney bus service that way. And they're doing some kind of refurbishment here, I guess. It must be a drive-up drop-off, but they're just changing things around, I guess. Oh yeah, this is one of the deluxe hotels. Yeah. Oh, there's a bus, a Magic Kingdom bus, but we're looking for a water park bus. Look at all those flowers all neatly planted as well in rows. They look like, hello, they look like wild garlic.
Yeah, they're not, no.
They look like it. Are they not? I can smell something. Okay. Well, I don't know. Oh, okay. Yeah, pardon our pixie dust. They're doing the lobby entrance at the moment.
Yes.
As soon as I try and film something, a tree comes along. The Animal Kingdom bus stop with all the... And the bus should be here soon. It's like 20 minutes past 9. And we just seen a bus that's going to come round in a minute to pick us up. Wait till that bus stops beeping. But if you get, if we've got the bus from Pop Century, you still have to get off here to get a Blizzard Beach bus. So the way we did it was a bit more fun for Tristan because we had the time to do it. So yeah, whatever you do, however you get here, whatever option you choose, you've still got to come here first to get the second bus to Blizzard Beach. So that's just turning up now. A goofy one. Blizzard Beach bus. Only 2 other people and it's half an hour till it opens, so maybe it's because it's only half an hour till it opens. It might be because it's half an hour till it opens and no one's going there yet, or it might just be that it's going to be really quiet, which will be really good because it's the last day of the season. People might be thinking it's going to be busy so I'm not going to go, which might put everyone off, which means it's good for us. So we'll see. So I'm giving you all this information and I'm completely wrong. You can get a bus straight back to Pop Century or from Pop Century to here, but I don't know why those other people did it. They were at the Animal Kingdom bus stop with us and they'd come from Pop, so I'm not sure what they did wrong, unless it's like that earlier. But yeah, we're here now. Just heading in, there's a castle over there, made of ice. And we'll go this way. We made it to rope drop at the Blizzard Kingdom. Blizzard Kingdom? What is wrong with me? Blizzard Beach.
To go. We'll be opening the gates in just a few minutes. Once inside, you'll find lockers in the changing area just ahead and to your right. If you need to pick up some items for your day at the beach house shop is to the left. Before entering, please be sure that each member of your party has a valid admission ticket. If you have a voucher, please exchange it at one of the ticket booths before approaching the turnstiles. Thanks, everybody. We hope you have a fun day here at Blizzard Beach. See you on the spikes.
We're just through everything here. We got through security. My fingerprints and Dad's fingerprints were messed up. Oh, it's sand. You've been looking forward to walking on sand. Yeah, so they had mine and my dad's fingerprints mixed up. We're just going to get the towel. Mum, Nana's gone to get the towels. So they just sorted it out now, so hopefully well. I don't know how I managed to get into Magic Kingdom though last night if it was messed up, but never mind. Hopefully it's sorted now. Right, so you get the towels straight away. And then you carry on. Get a new swim costume if you want to. For an extortionate amount of money. So beach house. The lockers and changing rooms are that way as you come in. So I can feel a nice cold breeze. I think it's probably coming from that shop. So we're nice and early here so we can go and find a bed somewhere with an umbrella. I don't know if this is copyright music. I'm hoping it's not picking up. So I better stop for a minute. This way because Tristan's playing on the sandy bits, but I need to go on, try and find us a sunbed with an umbrella. That's not a cabana because we can't afford a cabana. So Nana's going to wait there. I've got my phone on me. We've got 360. Oh, we can't actually go anywhere yet. Anyway, they've got rope up, so I have to stop anyway. So they might catch up with me in a minute. I saw it. They're just coming around the corner. So yeah, we're here. You can see some of the rides. The lazy river. It's floating by. Over to Tyke's Peak because this is the kids area, so this would be a good place to get something. But I don't really see any umbrellas down there, so we'll
here
see.
They don't have attractions.
We'll see in a minute. Good set. Bye.
Go, ski captain! People say sky captain.
Not today.
And now, it's time to hit the slope.
We didn't get run over.
Great day here.
Not yet. Thank you, Daddy. Thanks.
Now a beach ready. Got my swimming costume on. Tristan's got his. Nana's just looking for one of their laugh rafts to put it round him. That has, here, bird's quite close. That will fit him. Here's Tristan in his. Hey, hello.
Hello.
We're going swimming.
Yeah.
Water park.
No, they're all the same. So
Oh, okay. So we're going to try him in one of those
he wants
and
one
see
of
what
these.
that's
He doesn't
like.
want that.
Yeah, so we're going to put him in that and then I'm going to switch over to the GoPro. So I'll see you on the GoPro. Bye-bye. Right, so I'm not that familiar with this camera. This is the little GoPro. But we're just heading over to the little kids splashy area over here. So it's got a little slide I can see over there. And then some little splashy bits over here. So little snowmen. But I don't want to film too much over here because there's lots of other kids. So I'm just going to turn you off for now. What is it? Is it a little snowman? You see the big snowman? Look, can you see Olaf over there? Big snowman. Whee! Come on, push!
Come this way.
Is it not very slidey? Pick up your ring and go with Nana and Mummy's going to wait down here for you. Okay? Good! Was that good? Yeah, did you like that? Nana's coming. Tell Mummy, did you like it? Your first water slide?
Yeah.
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 Good, and again?
Yeah.
To go back up. You on?
I keep going to the corner.
Yeah, I've got to hold on to you.
Hayley,
Yeah. Nana's just getting one. Hang on. Can you hold on to him? Oh. Tristan, I've got...
hold him because if he goes out. These are better than the donuts.
Yeah. That's what I was thinking about, getting something like that. Hello, is this
Tristan,
good?
Nana hold there and you can float with Nana.
Yeah, stay with Nana then?
Yeah.
Maybe
Are we
Mummy
floating?
can find one on the way that Mummy can go in. Wow. Where are you?
Wow. Drip, drip,
Drip, drip, drip. Oh, is that cold? Where are you? Is it sunny? Don't look that way.
That way.
It's a bit
This
bright.
way. We on the lazy river.
Yeah. You can cross your legs in there if you want. You can cross your feet. You don't have to keep them straight if you don't want to. Wow. Mummy's gonna...
You hold it. Yeah, you hold yours. You can't fall out.
It's a bit, I mean, I'm hot, but it's a bit cold and I'm sure I want to get my tummy wet in a minute and then I can just sort of float along and hold on.
We're gonna bump into someone else.
Uh-oh, bump. Yeah, here we are on the lazy river. Yeah, Mummy needs a float really. See you in a bit. Nana swapped with me, so now I've got a little float to sit on. Nice little chair.
Much better, aren't they?
Yeah, better than what you get inside. They're easy to get in and out of as well. We were looking for another one. One might pop up. We're about to go into a tunnel. Is it good, Tristan? Wow, Mummy hit the wall. Let's kick off the wall. Whee! Ah! He's going backwards. Oh, he hit somebody else. Yeah. Hello. Is it Mummy?
Yeah.
Ah! You got me. Hello, people. Sorry, getting up close and personal. There you go, Tristan. Good job.
You're doing a great job.
Uh-oh, it's throwing me at it. Oh, okay, I'm avoiding it. I'm naturally trying not to get...
You can't walk near the side, it nearly blew me over.
Did it? It felt really strong. It did feel really strong. I went for the busy side by accident.
Merrily, merrily, merrily. Life is but a dream.
We're going fast for a second. I'm getting shot faster. Oh, bump. Bump. Is it good?
I said to him, do you want to go home in a minute? No.
Of course you don't. Do you ever want to go home, Tristan? Do you want to live here forever?
Yeah.
Yeah. Uh-oh. It's been a while. It might be getting me, or I might get Nana. Uh-oh, it's going. Oh, that was a small one. It was a trick. Oh. Okay. If it had been the big one, that would have got me. Going. You missed it. Go in. Here it is. Oh, where are we?
Big. Oh.
Wow. Do you like the seaside, Tristan? He went back, we had a little bit of drink and a bit to eat, and he went down the other slide a few more times. So now we're just going in here, ooh, being knocked over by the waves, and then we're going to go round to, there's a slide that we can all go in together, so we're just going to go round to that. So we'll just have a play in here first, and then go round there. Stay there.
Please remain seated. The chairman will resume moving momentarily.
You guys are good too. We've got to sit down in a minute.
Oh my god! I feel like I'm in it properly.
Mommy.
Can you sit back a bit? Woo!
Sit right back, Tristan.
That was a bit scary, Harry. Nana's got to try and straighten herself out now.
Sit back.
Right, hold on tight, Tristan.
I'm still not straight.
Please remain seated. The chairlift will resume moving momentarily.
It's good. Is it good, Tristan? Hold on tight.
I've got to hold his lighter.
Up. Tristan, up. Up, 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 up. Whoa. Look at that.
Please remain seated. The chairlift will resume moving momentarily.
See, if the chairlifts have got to come down, you think they'd let people come down?
Yeah, come down in them as well.
Oh, did you go down the slide?
There's kind of another little slide you might be able to do over there. Wow!
You're not held on by them, not really.
No, you're not, no. Oh yeah, that tiny little bit.
What's that one there?
I think you can do that as well. We'll find out in a minute. If you can do that one. That looks fun.
Yeah, you'd have to do that with him then.
I think he can do it on his own. That's what I
No,
don't know.
I wouldn't.
I'm going to stop here.
Right, ready?
Oh, Kristen, run! Got you.
Please remain seated.
Whoa, that was a bit hard to get off of. Don't think we'll be doing that one again. No. We won't be doing that again. You okay? Can we get you? Are you getting your feeties wet? Yeah. It's the Mount Everest over there, and Pandora over that way, Animal Kingdom that way.
You can see a long way.
You can see everything.
Welcome to Steamboat Springs. For your safety, please remain seated.
Here we go.
Alright, sweetheart, alright. I've got you. Yeah, nearly done.
Let's go.
It's alright.
Did you like that?
Yeah.
Yeah. Is that good?
Did you enjoy that?
Yeah, it is.
Wow.
It's basically the end.
Yeah, it's getting out.
Look.
Say hello, butterfly.
Hello, butterfly.
Hello, butterfly. Oh, there he is. Go in.
Where's he going?
Oh, that way. On the leaf. But leave me alone. Look at Mummy. Hi. Come on then.
I didn't get him. I didn't.
Did you like that first go? It will come up with a little counter up here.
Nana's coming.
Is that good? The swimming at Blizzard Beach. We're just walking through the shop to get a bit of air conditioning, but Tristan is not happy. Tristan, say hello. He's just saying more, because he doesn't want to leave. Poor little thing. Yeah, so we're done with Blizzard Beach. We'll catch up with you a bit. We'll probably go back to the room, get showered and changed, and then we'll decide from there what we're going to do next. So we'll see you in a bit. Just as you're leaving, there's a little Mickey in chalk. I'm just going to head to the bus stop now. So we're here back at the Pop Century restaurant, dining hall, whatever you want to call it. Just filled up our drinks and we decided we'd just get some dinner now. So I've ordered some sesame chicken to try, because I've never had it before, but I'm not for sesame seeds. And Dad's got a burger with no cheese. But I've just noticed they also do a pulled barbecue pork sandwich. So I might try that another day. And they had chicken strips I might want to try another day as well. So that's 2 meals I'd like to try. Yeah, Tristan's very tired. He's like watching things on my phone at the moment, but I reckon he's not going to stay awake. Yeah, but the thing is, it's like 10 past 4, and you think, well, should he have a nap? Because if he does, he won't go to sleep later. So we're not really sure what to do, but it's hard to keep him awake because he's so upset for being tired. So it's a tricky situation. But I'll show you the food when it comes, and we'll see you in a minute. I did actually start eating it, sorry. But this is the, let me just... Right. This is a sesame chicken. I think it's still blurry. So it's got vegetables and rice and the sesame chicken. It's really nice. Tristan's eating some chips down there. And you've got a half-eaten burger with chips. This is just a burger. There we go. Hello, I'm just on my way back from the bin because Tristan he just did a poo-poos before we had a shower. So he's now showered, I'm showered. I'm actually in my pajamas, but had to go take that nappy to the bin because it was quite offensive. So that's the end of day 3. And possibly if this video is together, it'll be day 2 and day 3 for you. So I think it's around about 5. I'm not 100% sure. I'll double check in a minute when I get back to the room. But yeah, that's we've decorated here. We've got little Stitch is there and Donald is there. So yeah, we're just gonna chill for the rest of the day. This is our room here. So yeah, we're just gonna chill out now. Tomorrow we're gonna get up early and try and rope drop not magic. My brain isn't working. That's the Florida brain, isn't it? You can't think, you don't know what you're doing anymore. You've forgotten your name, you've forgotten where you are, you've forgotten what you're doing, forgot the name of everything. I knew all the names of the hotels, but now when I think about them, I can't even think what they're called. It's very echoey in that little corridor bit. So just gonna step here. So let's see what else we can see out here actually, because I haven't come around this corner. So if you come around this corner, you've got the walkway there, the ladders. That's not even called a ladder, is it? It's called a staircase. What the hell's wrong with me? Anyway, there's the skyliner from this angle and the art of animation over there. It's quite a nice view. I mean, no one ever gets an end of... It'd be nice if they put another window in. I don't know what the rooms look like this way round, but if they put another window in, then you could see out that way as well. But yeah, it's quite nice. I mean, the trees do obscure the views a little bit. Mini cart. Yeah, so it's lovely. It's lovely that you can get a view of the skyline. I mean, I think if your rooms, if they had an extra 2 floors to these Pop Century rooms, I reckon you could see fireworks somewhere out there. Because when you just go a bit higher, you can start to see bits of the parks and like Hollywood, Tower of Terror and Epcot and everything over that way. But I'm starting to waffle, aren't I? I am, aren't I? Yes, I am. So, I'm going to find out what time it is when I go back in, and we're just going to have a chill. They're in there watching Bluey on the TV. Tristan's had his shower. Nana's going to have hers in a minute. Grumps didn't really get... He's going to have a shower, but he didn't go in the water. He doesn't like water, so he didn't go in anything. Just got his feet in a little bit. But Tristan absolutely loved it, going down all the slides. You would have seen that all on the GoPro footage that would have put in on this day. But yeah, we will catch up with you tomorrow morning when we go to Animal Kingdom, which is exciting. Day 4. I think day 4. Yes. I'm going to forget what days we are and where we are and whatever. But yeah, okay, let's find out what time it is. I'll just use my lovely sparkly magic band to get in. There we go. Does anyone know what time it is? No, just wondering.
20 past 5.
Right, it's 20 past 5. So we're just gonna chill. Nana and Grumps and Tristan are on the bed. You're watching Bluey. You had a shout. Look, you're wearing Bluey as well. Who's on this top? Who's here? He's like, get off me, mummy. I'm watching Bluey. There we go. So yeah, we're just gonna have a chill now. I'm gonna pull the bed down and sit on the bed and just chill out and have like a bit of a rest. After 5:30, we've had food. Mum wants to eat a bit of cake that she's bought from Walmart, that chocolate cake that we bought. And yeah, we'll just catch up with you tomorrow for Animal Kingdom. Say goodbye, everybody.
Bye.
Bye. Say see you tomorrow.
See you
or next week.
tomorrow.